Is Bitcoin halal? Allah knows best. Wallahi, if you truly want to invest in your akhirah, I have something better for you. Imagine for a moment if you brought a property for you and your family and it produced a few £1,000s in rent every month. But after you die, you can't take any of that money with you because someone else was using it. Now imagine if you invested in a center, a new home for our youth center, which only focused on bringing our youth back to Allah. If just one of those people started practicing because of the center, every single good deed they do for the rest of their lives, you share in it. Every wudu, every salat, every sadaqah. Bringing up righteous children. Simply because the Prophet ﷺ said, if you guide someone to good, you get the reward of that same good without anything being taken away from theirs. If you donate this Ramadan with the intention of 100 youth becoming practicing because of your donation, and inshallah that happens, you will get the reward of their good actions even in your grave. We are looking for just 500 people to just give £100 this Ramadan to help us move to the new center and to continue this amazing work. So click the link and donate now.